we will introduce how Sunlonge UV dye detects the leak on the auto engine system. This is the engine system, and I'm gonna run a UV dye test to find out the leak points. As we all know, in the long-term running, leaks will develop on the auto engine system. For example, the gasket, gear, valve, and the crankshaft. If we can detect leaks and fix issues in the early stage, a big potential repair cost can be prevented. This process is quite simple. You just need a UV flashlight, a pair of protective glasses, and of course you're gonna need all your UV dye. Now here we go. First, I'm gonna find out the wire cap and take it off. Then pour the UV dye right inside. We are going to go ahead and crack the vehicle up and let it run for a while, around 15 to 30 minutes. It has been like 30 minutes and I'm gonna check it over in some distance. Scan the suspected area with UV light. You just need to look for the glowing substance. The glowing site is where wire is actually leaking from.